In this video, I want to show how I'm going to use Fusion 360 along with my Shapeoko CNC machine to create an acoustic guitar mold. The first thing that I do is create the outline of my drawing. My acoustic is going to be roughly the same as a Gibson J200 jumbo model. And so the first thing I've done is drawn the outline here. The next thing I do is put a 2-inch border around the outside. This is what's going to give the support for the mold when I put the sides in. Next, I extrude up 1.5 inches, which is going to be the height of 2 pieces of 3/4 inch MDF glued together. And I'm going to make 4 of these pieces. The yellow box here represents a 24 by 10 by 1.5 inch deep piece of MDF. And the first step is to drill an indexing hole, and then the second step is to go around the perimeter and actually cut out the shape. The CNC machine is perfect for this type of operation, as I want to create 4 identical pieces. The remainder of this video will show how the actual process went. One thing that I learned while I was doing this is that my design is a little too cute. And by that I mean I did the 2 half circles on each end of the mold. It turns out that, whether my CNC isn't accurate enough or the MDF moved slightly, the holes came out a little oblong. So I go through later and actually drill those holes to make them perfectly circular. But overall, this worked really well. And so let's see how the process went. In the end, I now have an acoustic guitar mold. The materials for this cost roughly $35, of course not including all the tools that I already have. But if you wanted to buy one of these from one of the luthiery supply stores, they'd be $150 or $200. So for $35 in a couple hours time, I can live with the flaws of my first mold. So that's it. That's how I created my acoustic guitar mold. Thanks for watching, and hope you follow along with my acoustic build.